Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I'll be teaching you guys a little bit about how I go about making my videos. So this will be a quick guide on how to make videos using Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, PPT has a lot of amazing tools, so I'll just be here to show you guys a little bit about how to utilize these tools in your videos. First up, icons. So some of you guys might not notice, but there's a really great catalog of different icons and pictures that PPT just gives to you for free. So if you're gonna make a very simple little video and you don't really want to look up pictures and just Photoshop them online, you can just simply use PPT's built-in system for icons. So just simply go to the insert bar, and over here you can see the icons, and there's a huge catalog of different icons that you can choose to add into your PPT that you can also customize. So I like this little icon here. If I insert it, it shows up immediately, and then you can also change the color, change the size without any loss in quality. It's amazing. So for a quick little picture or icon or image, use the icon system within PPT. It's very, very helpful. PowerPoint also has this amazing system for 3D models. As you can see here in the top here, we have a tab called 3D Models. And here you can see that there's a huge catalog of different 3D models for you to use with a variety of topics and subjects. So if you do insert one of these 3D models, you get something like this. And you can easily just rotate it in 3 dimensions, rotate it, change the scale of it. It's pretty amazing. Next up, we've got animations. So you guys see this animations tab up here. Yeah, we're not going to use that. It takes too much time, it's not very intuitive, and it's just kind of frustrating to work with. You can still use it for things like path animations, but for the most part, all you need really is just this transition called Morph. Let me show you how it works. So I've got this really simple set of slides here with just 2 cubes. And right now, the cube just teleports over to the side of the screen. So what I actually want is I want the cube to move over from this point over to here. So of course I could use animations and just do a line path animation, but that's annoying. What you could do is just use transitions and select Morph. Now the PPT automatically just can tell that you're trying to move this cube from here to here, and it does it for you. So you can see that it's a perfect sliding animation. It's great, it's easy, super intuitive, it's great. The great thing about the morph transition is that it accounts for several different objects at the same time. As you can see here, I have a very simple rendition of the tortoise and the hare story from Aesop's Fables. It's basically 2 icons and 2 text boxes. Now in my second slide, I've moved the tortoise forward a little bit while moving the hare a lot. Now, if I use Morph, Morph will automatically move both of these objects at the same time for me, and it's great. In addition to this, Morph isn't used only for movement. It can also do things like change color. As you can see here, I've made the tortoise a little bit more green, I've made the hare brown, so using Morph, Morph will automatically change these 2 icons and text to the different color. Even more amazing is that Morph also works with those 3D models. Here I've got a wooden biplane and I've set it to this sort of rotation. And in my second slide, I've moved it to the bottom view. As you can see here, Morph automatically moves the 3D model to where I want it to be. And this is really powerful for if you want to show something using a 3D model. Now, as amazing as Morph is, there are some times when it will fall a little bit short. As you can see here, I've got 3 rectangles up here and 2 rectangles down here. Now my goal is to move these 3 rectangles down to here while moving the 2 rectangles from the bottom left to the top right. Now, PPT gets a little bit confused here. As you can see, what happens when I try to move it. So what's going on is PPT is confused as to what you want it to do. So this is the part where you need to kind of just give it a little bit of a clue about what you want to do. So this is where the group tool comes in. If I were to just simply group these 3 rectangles together, as well as these 3 down here, PPT can now tell, oh, this is one object, and you want it to move all the way down to here at the same time together. So now PPT can tell that you're trying to do this. Perfect. Okay, next up, we've got backgrounds. So I'm not going to teach you guys how to make backgrounds, but rather how to implement them within your PPT. As you can see here, I've got a pretty good background here with just a royal blue backdrop, a screen filter, as well as an icon. So I want to apply this sort of background to all my other slides. So how do I do that? It's pretty simple. Just take what I have here, and then I'll just go over to View, Master, Slide Master, Here we've got a new view of our different slides. These are basically the different styles of slides that you can customize and change, so you can have different types of backgrounds. So like type 1, type 2, type 3, and so forth. So here we've got a master slide. So whatever you put in the master slide, it will be inherited and added to all of the other slides. So for example, let's say I want all of my slides to have this royal blue backdrop. So all I have to do is just add that into the master slide. And now, as you can see here, all of the other slide types have this royal blue backdrop. Now, let's say I want this type, the first type, okay, to have this screen filter sort of effect. And for this one, I want the icon as well. So now I've got basically two different slides, one with the screen filter and one with the screen filter as well as the icon. So now let's go back to our normal view. So now as you can see here, all of my slides now are set to the first type, but I can also customize them to become the second type with the icon, or the other types that don't have the icon or the screen filter. So pretty simple, pretty easy. So our last thing today is to talk about how to record your slideshow and add a voiceover to your slides within your PPT to make a video. So PowerPoint has this amazing option to record slideshow to do all the work for you. But before that, you need to do some tricks. First of all, go over to your Transitions tab, unclick on mouse click, and choose after 0 seconds and press Apply to All. This allows audio clips to start appearing within your slides, and if you don't do this, you will not have any audio. So make sure to do this first. And then you simply go over to Slideshow, Record Slideshow. So now you'll be greeted with this screen. And as you can see here on the bottom right here, we've got a notes section. We can write some notes down for what we want to say. And over here, we've got a few buttons to help you with recording your slideshow. So by pressing the play button, I can start recording my audio for this slide. So stocks going up, quarterly growth, money, blah, blah, blah. Now, let's say I didn't like that recording. I can simply just press restart and try again. So I can go say something, I can stop it, start again, say something, start again, and so forth. Now, if I want to go to the next slide, press next, go again, chemistry, bonds, molecules, yeah. Block on the left, block on the right, turtle hair, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, so after you're done, go over to this end show, press I do want to save the new slide timings. And now you can see here, there's this little small audio symbol at the bottom right of each of your slides. That means that these slides have audio clips in them. And so PPT has automatically took your audio and put it into these slides. There's also these timings down here. That's basically your slide timing. So PPT will stay on the slide for 4 seconds, go over here, 6 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, 1 second, and so forth. So now we're ready to export this into a video. Simply go over to File, go over to Export, press Export to Morph, and now you can choose a quality. So I'm going to choose Internet quality. And you can also set the timings here. And so 1 second, and so export. So here's our result. As you can see here, PPT has automatically took all of our slides, audio, as well as slide timings, and made a video just for us. This is great because it's simple, it doesn't require you to use a screen recording, and it could be higher quality than what you could do with a screen recording. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.